This is our first story, story number 1. The story name is The Littlest Elephant. One day, a herd of elephants was crossing a river carefully as the river was flooded. Dun 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 tara! Suddenly, the head elephant trumpeted loudly to let his herd know that there was danger. Now, the littlest elephant was just a few weeks old and had never swum in such a strong flood. He was scared for a moment, but then he heard his mother's trumpet. Immediately, he started swimming towards the sound. He did not give up finally, managed to cross over safely. All the older elephants praised him and trumpeted loudly to celebrate the little elephant's triumph. This is our little elephant, and this is his mother. Bye bye.